Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious virgin mojito at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For the fizz, have 6 ounces of chilled club soda or sparkling water ready. Make sure you have a sturdy tall glass and a muddler, or even the back of a spoon to get started. Now, let's infuse those wonderful flavors. Place your fresh mint leaves and the 2 tablespoons of sugar into the bottom of your tall glass. Next, cut your lime into 4 to 6 wedges and add 3 or 4 of those wedges to the glass. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients for about 30 seconds. This releases the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating a fragrant base. With your muddled base ready, it's time to chill things down. Fill your glass completely with ice cubes, usually about 1 cup, right up to the top. Then, slowly pour the chilled club soda or sparkling water over the ice and muddled ingredients. You'll see the bubbles rise, mixing with the mint and lime. Give it a gentle stir with a long spoon to ensure all the flavors are well combined and evenly distributed throughout the drink. Your homemade virgin mojito is almost complete. For a beautiful presentation, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its aroma, then place it into the glass. You can also add an extra lime wedge to the rim of the glass for a final touch. Serve your refreshing drink immediately and enjoy the crisp, zesty, and cool flavors you've created. Cheers to your perfect, alcohol-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.